Hey everyone, it's D here from CoinKite, and today we're bringing you a tutorial video on how to use our SATSCARD with Nunchuk. First, you're going to want to open up your Nunchuk app and click the icon in the right hand corner. Take your SATSCARD and scan it at the top of the phone. As you can see, we now have a new address that we can send funds to. Copy that address and send some funds. Now that we have some funds in the SATSCARD, it's time to unseal and sweep these funds. You can send these funds to any Bitcoin wallet you want, or you can use an existing Nunchuk wallet. Now set your fee rate. Nunchuk does this automatically, but if you wish, you can do it manually as well. When you're happy, click Continue. Make note of your transaction details and click Confirm and Create Transaction when you're ready. Now take your 6-digit PIN from the back of your SATSCARD and enter it into your phone to confirm the transaction. Scan your SATSCARD one more time to finalize the transaction. And there you have it. You successfully swept those funds and used that slot on the SATSCARD. Let's create a new slot since we used our old one. Click the top right icon again and scan your SATSCARD. Click Yes to proceed and choose your chain code. By default, this is automatic. Now take your SATSCARD and enter your 6-digit PIN on the back of the card. Now take your card and scan to confirm. And there you go. You have a brand new address to send funds to. Remember, the SATSCARD has 10 slots that you're able to use, so you can use it over and over and over again. So go to coinkite.com and make sure to make your reservation today. And as always, thanks for watching.